Hello everyone. I am here again with the HTC Hero, the Sprint version, and I'm going to go ahead and go over the browser today and also the Google Maps application. So first of all, let's start off with Google Maps, and so I just have it here on my home screen. So we just click on it, open it up, and I think that HTC really implemented it well on this phone. It's definitely very smooth to maneuver around it. There is one shortcoming that I really it's good for. It seems to actually work a little better just for usability, but with zooming, you cannot, though the phone is capable of multi-touch zooming like the iPhone, but in Google Maps you cannot use the multi-touch, so you can't zoom in and out using that. And actually, from what I can tell, there's no double tap zoom in or out either, like you might be used to. But so basically what you have is down here at the bottom you have zoom in and zoom out. That's pretty much the only way you can do it, and so you just have to click on them to kind of zoom in to your location and zoom out of your location. So right now I am running the GPS application also, so I have not only the maps, my location going, I can also it's pinpointing my exact location using GPS, which is really nice. I definitely like that. And Sprint, it's been really effective. It's got me. It's very accurate. It's quick. It seems nice and responsive. So I'm definitely pleased with that. And so I'll just go through the settings here in Google Maps. As you can see, obviously you can move around, and pretty smooth. It's pretty nice. Just to be able to move around, it reloads the imaging pretty quickly, and so it's pretty nice. So we just go into the menu here, and the first thing you can do, first thing I want to show you is just directions, just because I'm gonna touch on it just quickly here. But basically in directions, it pulls up this little box here, and you have your location if you're using GPS, which will be quite accurate. If not, your location, you might need to actually type in exactly where you are, and then you can just open this guy and type in whatever location you're in using the keyboard here. I'm not going to do that, but what I do want to let you know is that you can get driving directions, or you could get public transportation, or you can get walking. So it'll give you any one of those, and I'll go into more depth in just a second with those. So let's look at it more in depth. Let's go to the search feature, and so it pulls it up. I already have a few in here. So restaurants, we'll go into restaurants. So it'll search for all the restaurants in your current area that are around you. And here at the bottom you see you have arrows, so you can scroll through and pick which one you want. I like when you get to the end of trying to pick all of them, it will let you know or ask you if you want the next 10, and you just click it again and it'll go and search for 10 more, and it just goes through the list, which you can see here on the left in this little icon, and that's the list of all of them. And so you can scroll through and see them all. You get next 10, previous 10, and it'll just load more in over and over again. So it's a really nice feature. I like it. It's very useful just to find everything you need to find. And so let's say I want to go to where's a good the tea house. That's a nice place. We'll go to the Boulder Tea House. And so if you click on the icon there, it brings up, it gives you the address. You can show it on the map. You can get directions. You can call from there. You can get a street view, or you can add it as a contact, which is also nice because, you know, if you find those places that you like, then you can have them and be able to retrieve them really quickly. So let's do, we obviously have seen it on the map there, so let's get directions for it. And so now it's got your location. It automatically puts in the tea house or wherever you want to go as the main place. And then you can get the driving directions. Just click go, and it'll grab those. Gives you them in a list initially. And then you just click the menu, and you can show it on the map. You can reverse the directions or update the route. And so we'll just show it on the map. And there it is. Let's zoom in a little bit, if I can get it with my thumb there. A little tough from this angle to push the button. Alright, and so now we can see it in the map, and we just step through, going through them, which is nice. And there we are. Oh, wait. And there's our location. So that's very nice. Let me see. So if we go back in, we have directions and everything. If we want to, let's see. Okay. Get out of that. Go back to directions. We can also get them in, get the public transportation. Uh-oh. Hit the wrong button there. Sorry about that. I'll just pick another one here. Get directions, public transportation, go. So getting transit, and so it tells you the departing time, the next departing time, how long the trip will take, and then you can show later trips or earlier trips depending on when you needed to leave. And this one, the public transportation, there is no, I live in Boulder, Colorado. It's very small, so it just tells me to walk there. But there is public transportation, obviously, to be able to do that. If I went to walk, it would obviously say the same thing, but it works really nice. Again, show my location really quickly. And one thing also I want to show you is the street view, which I find pretty useful. So just go to this restaurant here, and we'll look at the street view of this restaurant, and once it pulls it up. And what's cool is if you have the GPS on, or the compass, you can, I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, but if you turn the phone, it turns and moves around in the street view, which is really, really cool. If you're downtown, say, and you're not exactly sure maybe what corner the restaurant or store's on, it's a great feature to be able to go into and use it that way. So you also have if you click on that, you get the address, you get details about it, different reviews. It's very nice. I mean, it's nice just, this actually pulls up the browser retrieving data. But, it's a nice little kind of one-and-all thing. So I think they really did a great job here, Google Maps, on the Hero. And the interface is sleek, it's smooth. It's just it's nice to work with. So let's get out of that. We'll go back to the home